I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. And welcome back to your number one channel for reality news for politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside we nation, Nigeria. And just like usual, we don't come with breaking news. Me get updates from my table like this one, I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, on Friday, will be the 28th day of February for inside this year 2025, the leaders of the All Progressive Congress dey for inside Edo State. They don't come aside now. They urge the governor, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, to make him consider redeploying suspected loyalists of his immediate predecessor, wey be Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Those men now wey dey loyal to Mr. Godwin Obaseki, wey still dey work under the government of the current governor, which is Monday Okpebholo. APC leaders now don dey draw ear against them, and among other things, they still dey sama warning say working closely with those workers now wey dey loyal to the former governor, which is Godwin Obaseki, the thing fit cause harm to his own administration o. The person wey dey yarn this one so na the spokesman for the Edo All Progressive Congress leaders, and this man dey go by the name Momodu Adams. Na him dey yarn this one so for inside one statement wey come last dey made available to Tori people for inside Abuja. And according to this man so wey be Oga Momodu Adams, he say in the wake of the recent leak of official memos from the government house, the governor now wey be Monday Okpebholo can no longer afford to leave sensitive documents and information in the care of some kind staff dem. E get why. Oga Momodu Adam constantly argue say the majority of the civil servants wey dey for inside his current administration are still tied to the apron of Mr. Godwin Obaseki. And he say like this now, the leaders of the All Progressive Congress are very much worried about the development, because some persons now don dey carry official documents wey belong to this administration, can they go give the leaders of the People's Democratic Party, and normally that is not nice. And Oga Momodu Adams dey yarn say especially Ogie and Aswen Ighodalo, wey dey try to upturn the victory of Governor Okpebholo at the tribunal. So e go good now make dem torchlight these men. And if something is urgently not done, if they don't do something about the matter immediately, who knows what will happen next? So like this now, my good people, Oga Momodu Adams, they insinuate in the yarn, say these men now wey dey for the government house, wey be dey work under Mr. Godwin Obaseki, they feel they act as spies for the candidates of the People's Democratic Party, which is Aswen Ighodalo. And he say currently about 98% of the staff wey work in the government house during Mr. Godwin Obaseki administration, including the protocol officers and those wey serve tea, are still in the administration of Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress. And they are very much worried because people hide or sit on files wey dey meant for the governor. And they understand very well, say the media houses and journalists for inside Edo State are losing patience with the administration of Senator Monday Okpebholo, wey be the current governor of Edo State. And when the media starts their war with new administration, it go mess up everything. So this, my good people, now the details of the statements where the spokesman for the Edo State All Progressive Congress leaders, will be Momodu Adams, come dey yarn about the matter. So like play, now this man dey yarn, they give the Edo State governor Senator Monday Okpebholo, say make him torchlight the men will be the work under the administration of Mr. Godwin Obaseki. They feel they act as spy. So it go good making give all of them sack letter sake of the recent leak of official memos from the government house. Now, normally, my good people, it good make a current administration reshuffle his cabinet, you understand? Sake of say you want to remove bad blood, make it for know who you dey work with, all these kind of levels them. Is not wrong in doing that. But there have not been evidence. Say these men now, they actually they leak information, you understand? There is no way to prove the facts. There is no way to prove this accused. Say yes, now these men now they leak info. Because last, if it turn out, say these men are just innocent of accused, you get. And if you sack them now, you can make them lose job. With them, you don't put their heart and soul into. And you know go make sense like that. But however, my good people, it go dey very, very bad if last men can find out, say, these people now, or be these civil servants, where they under the administration of Monday Okpebholo currently, we be still they work for the administration of Mr. Godwin Obaseki. They collect details, they go give the People's Democratic Party. Those kind of level normal, it don't make sense. That's not betrayal in the highest order. But anyhow, this informate be for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, no let me stop you. na free of charge. Drop am inside our comment section and we sef go like hear your thoughts about the matter. Meanwhile, me still get another informate for my table wey I still need share give the general public, and the koko be say the Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo don appoint Ms. Ovie Charles Idahosa as the General Manager of the Edo State Community and Social Development Agency, wey be CSDA, and the Secretary to the State Government, wey be Musa Ekilo. He don come outside dey yarn say the appointment dey take effect immediately, that is sharparly, make she start work. Dis country person now wey dey go by the name Ivie, she na the daughter of a one-time director of publicity and former special adviser to former Governor Adams Oshiomhole. And Ms. Ivie wey just receive appointment so na a highly accomplished and result-oriented professional with a combination of international expertise and local passion. No be say na cho something. She dey hold a bachelor's degree in agricultural economics and rural development, and she still dey hold 2 master's degree, one for the international marketing management from the Robert Gordon University wey dey for inside Aberdeen, Scotland, and another in data analytics and healthcare services management from Rutgers University wey dey for inside Newark, New Jersey, USA. So like this now, my good people, e go good make we plaster am for back of our mind say Ms. Ivie wey just collect appointment so na member of professional bodies both for inside the UK and USA, such as the American College of Healthcare Executive and Project Management Professional. And before she bag this appointment, so before she collect appointment just recently, Ms. Ivie Idahosa will serve as a principal manager at Cooper University Hospital, and that na a renowned research hospital wey dey for inside New Jersey for inside the United States of America. So if you ask Reality Latest about this informate, if you ask am about this development, Reality Latest go tell you say this na good signing. Ms. Ivie Charles Idahosa get the skills, get the degrees, and she true get what it takes to be the General Manager of the Edo State Community and Social Development Agency. And just like the Secretary to the State Government, wey be Musa Ekilo, don yarn about the matter, this appointment so is effective immediately. But however, my good people, anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular matter, don't be a stranger. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section, because we sef go like hear your thoughts about the matter. You know say now we be Reality Latest Gist, and now they like give on our Reality Latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this informate, if you like this update, and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we bring more news they come, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp.